What are your thoughts on not being volatile as a YouTuber, Alicia?
Yeah, one thing that kind of comes to mind is I think a lot of people, the mistake that they'll make is they'll make content for 3 months and then go, it didn't work. I think it's really important in any type of marketing, one, that you give it a chance to get there, right? With social media, I think people assume they forget about all the hard work that went for behind the scenes for somebody to grow to where they are. So you have to give yourself that time. If you do it for 3 months and you quit, well, then you are going to fail. Your videos will still sit there and be able to get views, but you have to be ready to keep going. So you have to do it in a way that's really sustainable. And then like Ali said, with marketing, you do want to make sure that you're reviewing and you're making changes and you're improving upon what you're doing, but you don't want it to be like, oh, that didn't work, let's try something else. Oh, let's change the channel name because that's not working. Oh, let's just go in and change our entire description because that's not working. You want to give it time. And if you're constantly making these big abrupt changes, you're going to confuse the algorithm, you're going to confuse YouTube, and you're probably going to confuse your audience. So be patient and allow YouTube to do its thing.
Yeah, the truth is YouTube knows who your audience is way better than you do. And not only do they know who they are because of what they've searched previously, they know what they're Googling. They have all of the inside information. So why not let Google and YouTube be your best friend and find those people for you? In the meantime, while you're waiting and practicing your humility, watching those small numbers get bigger, and don't forget, it's not what one video does. It's what your videos and then hundreds of videos do every day. That's where your watch time comes up because all of your videos are being watched. So in the meantime, while your channel's growing, you can create different playlists, or some call them buckets, where you have different types. Maybe a vlog style, maybe tutorials where it's like step-by-step how to do something. Maybe there's another one where you have interviews and discussions. And then you may also have videos that are just you teaching a topic, more of a talking head. And then you could have something where you're out and about doing what you do.